I will show you how to add a proxy to your Telegram account. You can add proxy to your Telegram account on your computer or phone. Proxy, we have a MobileHop package for 2025. It will last for a month. You can find the link in the description. You can click on manage options, best proxy panel, MobileHop. I have a lot of videos on how to buy a proxy for you can knock me, and I will give a link in my description. You can see their reference proxy straight in any straight USA proxy. Best proxy panel, MobileHop, mobile proxy. Click on the Texas proxy, click on the HTTP or SOCKS pipe locations, HTTP SOCKS pipe proxy mode. The HTTP proxy SOCKS pipe proxies, copy here, copy address, proxy address, and Telegram. Okay, open settings, click, and advanced, click here, options, connection type, click here, and you use custom proxy, click. On the HTTP or SOCKS pipe, click on the proxy, click on this host name, click on the first port, username, password, all here, copy, port, copy and paste, username and password, copy, okay, and password, copy, paste, save. Done. My proxy is added, MobileHop is added, Telegram. Okay, HTTP, good options from MobileHop. Proxy is very good and is speed very fast proxy panel in the world. Then click on the disable proxy, can on the disable proxy, click on this data and disable. Okay, click on this disable proxy. Okay, mobile settings and storage, click on this proxy settings, click on and proxy here. Okay, add proxy, click here, server, HTTP SOCKS pipe, any ports available, username, password, no problem. HTTP SOCKS pipe proxy added, very easy process. Telegram mobile and computer features, very strong and good process. Thank you very much for watching video.